Soil type is a huge deal when it comes to foundation problems, especially if you're dealing with expansive clay that likes to mess with your house by swelling and shrinking all the time. So, here's the thing. If your soil is mostly clay, it's going to soak up water and get bigger when it rains, then dry out and shrink when it's hot. That back and forth movement puts stress on your foundation, making cracks and uneven floors pretty common. One smart move is to keep water drainage away from your foundation, like making sure gutters and downspouts are working right and the ground slopes away from the house. Also, avoiding planting big trees close to your foundation helps because their roots suck up a lot of moisture, causing more shrinkage. If you're building new, ask about soil tests to see what you're dealing with before laying the foundation. Adding moisture barriers or using special foundation designs can really help keep things stable over time. When watering your yard, try to keep it consistent so the soil doesn't get crazy wet, then dry out fast. Lastly, keep an eye on your foundation for small cracks and fix them early before they get worse. One of the biggest mistakes people make with foundation problems related to soil type is ignoring how expansive clay behaves. This leads to unexpected foundation movement that could have been avoided. Another common issue is poor drainage around the house, which lets water pool near the foundation and makes clay soils swell more than they should. Fixing this means improving gutters and grading. The third problem is planting large trees or shrubs too close to the house without thinking about how their roots affect soil moisture. Trimming roots or removing problematic plants can save your foundation in the long run. BigHomeProjects.com makes life easier by connecting homeowners with trusted local contractors who know how to handle soil-related foundation issues right. For contractors, it is a great way to find projects and grow their business by reaching people who really need their expertise.